Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you guys have been following my channel for a long time, then you will know that I have kept this same RC monster truck track layout for at least 3 years, if not more. And since I've been doing Monster Jam shows on the channel, I've done a couple of them now, and they've both done pretty well, and they were very fun to make. I figure why not actually reconstruct the whole monster truck track and make something that's maybe a little bit more realistic to Monster Jam, which is basically the biggest monster truck organization out there. And since I've bought a couple of RC construction vehicles recently, I figure why not put them to the test and actually reconstruct the entire monster truck course. It's going to be really fun, a full new racing layout. Really excited to see where this is going to go. Right now, as you can see, we're just looking at a bunch of fallen leaves because it is that time of year. So the first part of doing this reconstruction is going to be getting rid of all the leaves so that way you guys can actually see what I have in store with some computer graphics that I have put together. So now that you know my intentions, we're going to go ahead and start cleaning up all of these leaves, which for you is only going to take like half a second because through the power of editing, you're going to see all the leaves disappear. And just like that, now I didn't get rid of every single leaf. What we are able to do now is have a pretty good idea of what the space that we're working with is like. So right here is the digital concept for the new track layout. This is going to be quite a bit different from what it used to be, but I really think it's going to look great. Something that I had to take into consideration is the width of the track. As you can see, this is a very wide set of obstacles. It's going to take quite a bit of space. So I actually designed two different layouts, one of which you can see right here, is actually a little bit narrower because I removed the two outer obstacles on the big strip of obstacles that will be at the top of the track. So with all that said, I'm going to send you back outside where we can wrap this video up. So just a quick update for you guys that this is what's going to be going on. Stay tuned for the next video where we're actually going to break out the RC construction equipment, and we're actually going to start breaking some ground and moving some dirt. So stay tuned guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.